stop. Before you spend thousands of dollars on the next floor, you're going to want to watch my video first as I review and tell you the truth about Lifeproof vinyl flooring.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, and welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today, we're going to be reviewing Lifeproof vinyl flooring. Sold exclusively at Home Depot, but this is not a sponsored ad. This is my personal opinion. Been a flooring contractor for over 23 years. I've had the opportunity to install Lifeproof since it was called Allure, which was the original product that Home Depot sold. I used to be a contractor for Home Depot, and I did a lot of their installations for laminate, wood, and vinyl. And when vinyl first started becoming popular, we were installing it under the Allure name. I no longer install for them, but I'm still a flooring contractor, and this is what I do. So a lot of the reviews you'll find out there are by homeowners, handymen, so forth. This is a review by an actual flooring contractor. This is what I do day in, day out. I get paid to do this by my customers. This is what I'm good at. This is all I do. The product that we're reviewing is called Alpine Backwoods Oak. This is a random width product. That means it comes in 3 different widths: a large piece, a medium piece, and a small piece. The product comes 19.53 square feet in a box. It is of course a locking floor. I like it. One of the things I like about the floor is that it has a lot of variation in the color, from darks to lights. They do mix it up quite a bit. That being said, you need to work from multiple boxes. I use the analogy of shuffling the boards like a deck of cards. You want it to blend properly. You don't want to have patchy areas of all light, and then you open the next box and there's a lot of dark boards, and you have all dark boards. You have to open multiple boxes and blend it properly so that you have darks and lights mixed properly throughout the job. This is Max. Whether he has an opinion or not, we have not found out yet, but he's very vocal and he may say something if I'm wrong about something along the way, so we'll find out shortly. It has a pre-attached underlayment. That could be good or that could be bad. One of the downsides to a pre-attached underlayment is that if you live in a condo or an association and they have requirements as far as sound, you're probably not going to want to go with this product, because if you use an additional underlayment, you will void your warranty. Speaking of warranty, it is a lifetime warranty that comes with this product. So that is one of the things that is a selling feature. So you want to follow the rules and the installation guidelines properly, because you don't want to void your warranty. Specs on this product: it's 6.5 millimeters thick with a 6 mil wear layer. Yep, it's only 6 mil. But that being said, I've installed these floors for quite a few years and I've never had anybody wear through a floor yet. I've seen people on the internet, when they're doing reviews of this product, give it like torture tests and different things where they're hitting it with die grinders and stuff like that. If you're putting a die grinder on your floor, you have bigger things to worry about in your life. You have a lot of other things to worry about. You shouldn't be hitting your floor with a grinder in the first place. So you're not gonna wear through this floor. I've tested this floor in my own home. I've laid some pieces out. I got a 100-pound English slab, and I got this 30-pound beast next to me here, and he likes to lay on the floor. And my dog likes to walk on it because I put it at the bottom of the stairs. And I did put a piece on the stairs as well, and neither of them have been able to scratch it or wear through it. So it is pretty resistant. It is pretty resistant to scratches. As far as denting, I've put some under a few heavy pieces of furniture in my office here, my TV stand. Same thing with a couch I put on it. Left it on it for a month, and they did not leave any dents in it. It does have a rigid core, which brings us to our next point. Rigid core gives it its durability as far as denting. Traditional vinyls, the stuff that you used to find in your mom and dad's kitchen and bathroom, that the builder gave you when you bought a home years ago, would dent very easily from appliances and heavy pieces of furniture. This new age of LVP, LVT, whatever they're calling it, waterproof flooring, is much different. It has a rigid core, which they actually basically take almost all the vinyl out, which is the soft element, and they put a rigid solid core inside of it, and it does not allow it to dent from furniture anymore. I've read reviews of people putting grand pianos on it with success. Installation. So this is my specialty here. I have a video on how to install this floor properly. If you'd like to see it, it's on my channel. I have some other videos on some other products out there as well. All of vinyls are installed pretty similar, so any of my vinyl videos will show you how to install this product properly. So as far as installation, so here's some of the things I found out installing this floor, with the last time I installed this floor at least. Coming out of the boxes, we did find several broken corners, chipped corners I should say, and broken corners, broken tongues. I had a lot of damaged planks, which disturbs me because some of the other products on the market, they start with N, and end with E, and have a CORE in the middle. I've not had the same problem with. So, be careful. You don't want to install broken boards, and you don't want to install planks that are not going to lock together properly. If it has a broken tongue and you install it, the board's not going to line up properly, and it's also not going to lock together properly, which will be a problem after you install the product. So there are going to be easier products to install in the market, in my opinion. Not saying that this is a difficult product to install, but I install these type products every day, and I've worked with some of the higher end ones and some of the really low end ones, and I would say this is in the middle. I'm not saying it's a difficult product by any means to install. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is there are easier products to install. Some of the things I noticed installing this product: the long joint. You really have to work the long joint in. The long joint should drop in the easiest. You insert the long joint first, you drop the plank down. It's an end drop-in locking system. So if you don't lock that long joint in properly, your end joint's not going to line up and drop in the right place. When the end joint doesn't drop in the right place and you hit it down, you will break the end joint. And when you look across the floor, you will see a little groove, a little bevel on the end joint that doesn't belong there, and it's a cracked end joint. So you have to make sure the long joint is installed properly. And as far as that end joint is concerned, even when it is installed, the long joint is installed properly. If you do not drop the end joint down in the exact, or very close to the exact place above the other board where it needs to be installed, and you hit it down in the wrong place, it'll still go down, but it will form a crevice, which is basically a crack. It's not going to affect the product and how it performs, but when you look across the floor, if you're picky, you're not going to be happy with how it looks. So you really, really have to make sure that you install it properly. If you're just watching this review to decide if you should buy this product and you're going to have it professionally installed, ignore what I'm saying, because a professional installer this is a day off for us. This is not a hard product to install. We do this every day. It's a big difference. If you're a mechanic and you work on cars, changing brakes is simple to you. If I go to change brakes, can I figure it out? Yes. Will it take me forever? Yes. Will I probably make a mistake? Yes. This is what I do, so I can do this product with my eyes closed. But if you're a DIYer and you're trying to do this for a weekend project, read the directions, take your time with it, watch my video, watch other videos out there. Just make sure they're flooring professionals and they're not someone that's doing this for the first time. And you shouldn't have any problems with it. I'm just saying there are easier products to install. They start with the letter N. I like the pattern this particular product had. The large, medium, and small rows, the 3 different random width rows. It's fun. I'm a wood guy. I've been doing wood for over 20 years, 23 years to be exact, and I love random width wood. So the fact that they made this vinyl random width, I love it. I think that's awesome. It's very realistic. It's a nice touch. Guys, this is intended for us. I'm guilty of this. I hate reading directions. I never read directions. I said it. Doesn't apply to flooring. You have to read the directions. You'll void your warranty. With this particular product, they have certain things that they do a little bit differently. All products usually require a vapor barrier. For example, this product does not require a vapor barrier. You don't want to void your warranty. So just read the directions and make sure you follow it to a T. It's a lifetime warranty. It's hard enough to get companies to honor warranties, especially for flooring. So don't give them a reason not to honor it if you have a problem. Waterproof. It is waterproof flooring. That's the biggest problem with vinyl is I tell my clients all the time is the name. When you tell people you just put a nice vinyl floor in, they think of that old vinyl floor that the builder gave you as that free option in your kitchen or bathroom. Vinyl's biggest problem is its name. It's not appealing. So they try to call it other things, LVP, LVT, waterproof flooring, to give it an allure of something else. But at the end of the day, it's vinyl. So embrace it. That being said, when we talk about waterproof flooring, that's what this is, and it is truly waterproof. I tested it. I took a piece. I do this with all my floors, from laminate to other vinyls, and I submerge them in water for 30 days. Actually, what I'll do is a few pieces. I leave them in for one piece for a week, another piece for 2 weeks, and a final piece for a month. So, and I check them along. I'll check the piece after a week, 2 weeks, and then a month. No problems with this floor. It doesn't also develop any mold or mildew. It is antimicrobial. So it is definitely, truly waterproof. When I do a review, even when I'm buying a product from one of my clients, I scour the internet for complaints. And I've done that with this product. Could not find any major complaints. You're always going to find complaints on anything. If you buy a car, if you buy an electronic, you're always going to have people that have a problem with it. What I look for is repeating, like trends. I look for the same type of complaints popping up, joints separating, cupping, problems that flooring develop. And I have not seen any repeating trends on any of the complaint boards or review websites or any Home Depot websites, any place across the internet. I could not find any major complaints or trends of repeated complaints. A lot of times what I will find is issues that are related to installation. You want to be exactly how it is supposed to be put in, and you won't have any problems. You shouldn't have any problems. Don't come to me if you have any problem. I didn't install it. Well, if I did install it, then come to me. I give a year, I give 2 years. I actually give a long warranty. I'm going out to a customer's home next week that I did a floor for years ago, and she had a molding come loose, so I'm going to put it in. But I love what I do. That's just me. I'm a rare breed. Last of a breed. Last of the Mohicans. When we talk about Lifeproof, you got to realize it is not a high-end LVP, waterproof flooring, vinyl flooring, whatever they're calling it nowadays. It's not a high-end. I wouldn't consider it a low-end. I would consider it in the middle of the pack. So you're going to find products out there that are better. There's definitely products out there that are worse. When you're deciding amongst which products to get, number one thing that I always tell my customers, if they're equally priced products from similar stores, Home Depot, Nucore, maybe even Lumber Liquidators, they're all going to be competitive as far as stats, as far as specs, and as far as warranty. Maybe Nucore has a thicker wear layer on Nucore. maybe Lumber Liquidators has a better price. When you're making a decision on flooring, when you're making that decision, the most important thing is finding a floor that you like. If you find a color and a style that you like, and there's similar floors, go with the one you like best. Don't go with a floor that has maybe a little bit thicker wear layer, but you don't like the color as much. Don't go with it because it has a thicker wear layer. If they're similarly priced products from competing stores, go with the product you like the best. Now, as far as installation, if you're doing a bedroom or a small area, I think anybody can do this product. I think it's doable, and I think that actually you might even enjoy doing it. It's not a hard product to install, and it's a great sense of completion when you're done. That being said, probably just cost myself some money. But if you are going to do an entire house, that's a different story. Consider having it professionally installed. Installation on this product runs $2 to $3 a square foot. There are easier products to install than Lifeproof. I'm probably going to get some comments here about saying this. I'm not saying it's a difficult product to install. I'm saying they're easier products to install. If you're a handy person and you build and you do a lot of, you've done flooring before, ignore what I'm saying. So let's cut to the verdict. I like the product. It's waterproof. It doesn't dent. It doesn't scratch. It's pretty decent to install. If they have a color and a style that you like, go for it. If you live in a condo that requires a sound padding, remember this product is probably not for you because it's not going to meet the regulations and requirements of condos or high-rises. So keep that in mind. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you find it informative and maybe you've learned something from it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I love what I do. This is all I do. I'm usually very quick to respond to comments. I do have a full line of vinyl videos from installation to reviews. Please be sure to like us, and as I say, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to get new subscribers. We're going to have a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We haven't been doing this very long, but we love doing it. We get better with every video, and we love the support. When we get to that 1,000, we're going to have a giveaway for a couple of our lucky subscribers. I'm not going to say what it is, but you're going to be surprised. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hey, say something.
Forever
What is this?
free.
No? What do you have to say about all this crap? What about Lifeproof? What do you think about Lifeproof? You want to play with my mouse? Here. You want to play with my mouse? Go ahead. You love to play with my mouse. Oh, there you go. Now you got the mouses out. You want to play with my... Oh, boy. What do you think? You got an opinion on this? Here, give me 5. No, don't give me head. That didn't sound right. I think we're done here. Say goodnight. Let's go. Ugh. As I say, please take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to have a giveaway for a couple of our lucky subscribers. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.